Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome back to my channel. Winter is approaching, so this is a perfect time to prepare a winter melon soup. This is one of the most traditional and classic soup recipes originated from Guangdong, China. And it was a royal dish made only to imperial family during Qing dynasty. So let's treat ourselves with a royal dish because we all deserve it. Before moving on, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for your time and support. So let's get to this recipe right now. Let's go ahead and pick up a few ingredients at an Asian grocery market. Red dates, dry red dates, shiitake mushroom. You're gonna need about 8 to 9 of each. This is dry red dates. I actually grow them from my garden. And 3 dry scallops. These 3 ingredients must be soaked in water half an hour before cooking, and 1 thumb-sized ginger. I'm using about 3 to 4 pounds of pork bone. You can use any type of pork bone. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blanch my pork bone with salt, vinegar, and water. Bring it to boil, remove impurities, and rinse it with water. And this is what I have after. I used about 1 teaspoon of salt and about a half tablespoon of white vinegar. On a new pot, bring water to boil. This is about 10 ounces of water. Add in ginger, dry tangerine peel, add in dry red dates. These had been rinsed a few times and soaked. Now just add it into the boiling water. Add in dry scallops, same thing. I rinsed them a few times. Now just add them in along with the water. For shiitake mushroom, I'm not gonna add it right now, but I soaked it, rinsed it, and cut off the stalk. Those are the very hard part. So remove it, and I will add the mushroom in later. Now I'm just gonna add in my pork bone and bring it to boil, then turn down the heat to medium and cook for a good 2 hours. In our culture, Cantonese, we are known for preparing 3 to 4 hour soup almost daily. It's almost impossible to have dinner without a bowl of soup. In my own experience, I think having a bowl of soup before dinner helps me to lose weight because I'm pretty much halfway full after a bowl of soup. Next, I'm also adding in 2 carrots. When it comes to preparing Chinese or Cantonese soup, you want to pick a big fat carrot. You don't want baby carrots because after 2 to 3 hours cooking, it's gonna become very mushy and you won't even see the shape of a carrot. So it is best to pick a thick and fat carrot. Peel the skin and cut it into about 1 inch in length. And lastly, which I'm sure you've been waiting for, the main ingredient for this recipe is wintermelon. I believe you can only pick up wintermelon at an Asian grocery market. I have not seen one in Safeway or any other non-Asian grocery market. Remove the seeds inside the wintermelon. Keep the skin on. Why? The skin will keep the melon its shape after 2 to 3 hours cooking. If you peel the skin after 2 to 3 hours boiling or slow cooking, you will not see any more melon inside the soup. So the reason for that is to keep the skin on so that we can keep the shape of the wintermelon. You don't have to eat the skin. You can remove the skin when serving. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into a cube about 1 inch in length and width. or you can just cut it a little bit bigger. It's really up to you. After 2 hours boiling under medium to low heat with a splatter guard or with a lid, my soup is almost ready. I'm just going to go ahead and remove impurities. As you can tell, there are impurities and fat layer on top, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove them to keep my broth very clear. Added in 2 teaspoons of salt before I started boiling my soup. You can adjust the saltiness as you wish at the end of your cooking time. Here I just want to show you what a splatter guard looks like. And finally, to add a little bit more sweetness to my soup, I added 1 tablespoon of white rock sugar. To finish off my wintermelon soup, I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1/8 cup of dry Golgi Berry and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat, and ladies and gentlemen, my wintermelon soup is ready to be served. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Thank you again for your time. Until then, take care. Bye now. Everyone, stay safe.